This is a relational first place, and you'll see that today. Everything that we do together. We put a lot of trust in our students and knowing that they can do that, even if they think that they might not be able to.
Getting out of your comfort zone and like living with a host family who doesn't speak like my native tongue, which is English, and I had to force myself to just get out there and really struggle.
Over my 4 years here, I've just gotten a lot more confident in who I am and like my abilities. Yeah, Proctor's just helped me to like realize who I am and like what I can do with who I am, and I've just gotten so much more confident.
You can be friends with anyone here, you can do anything you want here, you can be anyone you want here, and you'll still be accepted. Like, there's always a place for anyone at Proctor.
So there's a sort of flattened hierarchy here where we're on a first name basis with our students and we're living in community with them.
Me and my advisor have gotten, kind of really close. He's kind of like, like an adult I can always go to. Not even like while we're still in school, like over the summer I called him probably like once a month just to talk about life, and no one really lets you fall through the cracks here.
We really want them to be able to thrive here at Proctor and beyond, and so helping them to understand how to live and take care of themselves and manage challenging times and be resilient.
Yeah, I hope you'll